merge intervals. So this question is very easy to understand. It's understandable. There's just a array. There is some overlap. So after we merge the output array has no overlap. Yeah. So first of all, we should sort this array by the first element, and we can maintenance current array that is current cover the current elements. And if we get a new range interval, we will compare. We compare the first element to the current range, the last one. If it's bigger than the last one, this means we will have a new interval. So we will move the current interval into answer, range into answer. This one will be new current range interval. And if it's not bigger than the last, we will compare this. If it's in the inner of is bigger than the last one. If it's bigger than the last one, so the current range will be enlarged. If it's more than, we will keep the current. We will keep this interval and go to next interval. So let's take a look at the code. The code is the same idea. First of all, we should sort this. I use the Java language because some interview will use Java language, so I use Java language. So it's same to Python. We can use one function to sort this interval. That is the comparator. Yeah, we use a lambda as a comparator. Yeah, so we got the current range, current interval, and we start from the second. If just as I said, we got the interval start and end. We compare the current range. If it's s is start, so we have a new range. So we copy this into the answer, and we start replace the start and end, and we continue. If it's not, that means if it's n bigger than the n, we have a new n, so that we will merge the two intervals into one bigger one. If it's not, so we just skip because this interval is small, is in the range of the current interval. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget we should add the last one. That's all.